How's it going? My name is Mike Lally. I am in Tokyo for my first time ever, and I'm gonna vlog my trip. I've never vlogged before, but I'm doing it mainly for myself because my memory is so bad and I can never remember what I've done. So yeah, I'm in Tokyo right now. We're staying at an Airbnb. I came here with like 7 other friends, and today we're gonna explore Tokyo. I want to try my first vending machine coffee. Because I think that's so weird that it's so awesome. We're gonna explore and I'm just gonna vlog and record stuff. Oh no! Oh no! Gojira! Gojira! Let's try this. My first coffee from a can. Cheers. Oh, it's good. It's good. Okay, we just arrived in Shinjuku, and it's the shopping district, but it's for like affordable shopping and cheap shopping. And maybe I'll find a watch here because mine broke and I need a new one. Ta-da! Oh, I want all of this. It's delicious.
How do we do this? Do we get like a bag?
I think. I'm not sure. This looks interesting.
Green tea.
We are going to vending machine to get beer. What? Oh yeah, drinking on the street like a rebel. I think it's legal here, but we're not 100% sure. Which beer will you get?
Try this one. This is sake, I'm pretty sure.
How do you know?
Comes with a drink?
Yeah?
It comes with a drink?
It's not just a glass.
It's no, it's full and it has like a I've seen it before.
It's your first time here.
On a vlog.
I want to get that.
Yeah, get it.
I'll get it.
You just want it for the cup.
Just
Yeah,
do
I
you.
want to keep the cup.
Keep the
Yeah,
cup.
do it.
I hope
Oh
it doesn't
my
break when it falls.
Oh, he made me pack a box of bubble wrap.
I packed it. A box with bubble.
No, I grabbed it from work, put bubble wrap in it so he could bring cups
Thank you.
home.
Appreciate it.
I mean, I feel like they wouldn't have beer in a vending machine on the streets if you couldn't drink in the
Yeah,
streets.
true.
So are kids allowed to drink it?
I guess so.
I guess,
Yeah.
it's not like
They probably could.
Okay, I'll get Sapporo, I think.
Nice.
Asahi is good too.
But that, it's super
All their
dry.
beers are very light though. Amber tasting. Oh, is that a grapefruit
40
beer?
more cents. Oh, it tells you which ones you can buy with that amount.
Yeah.
Cool.
There's grapefruit beer.
Is it?
This is the longest beer purchase in history.
Oh yeah, just like that. No ID.
You're dented.
Oh, it's dented. Oh, return it.
It's dented all over.
Okay, back home to sleep. Oh no! Oh no! Gojira! Gojira!